Every person who watched this year's charity stream on my birthday had the perfect motive: generosity. But no matter which of you donated to rise above the disorder, shattering our stretch goals, and raising over $15,000 toward mental health care, one thing is for sure. The time to reveal your RPG reward is at hand. Well, almost. Thanks to your tremendous good deeds, the EC crew and I will be running a murder mystery themed Dungeons & Dragons one-shot live over on our Twitch channel. Once again, DM'd by our awesome community manager and spooky boy-in-chief, Arthur. But possible TPKs aside, to further thank all you fine folks, we'll be doing giveaways from our wonderful partners over at D&D Beyond and Tailspire all stream long. Meaning you can come for the chance for free stuff and stay for us making a scene out of the crime. So on August 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at twitch.tv/extra credits, we cordially invite you to an evening of mystery, murder, and of course the madcap mayhem only live D&D can provide as we try to solve the riddles of our kind and magnanimous DM. Wait a minute, hold on. Yeah, the script says kinda magnanimous. What does that mean? I'm sure it's fine.